everyone, I'm Ozzy Teacher. Today we are going to learn something very important in English. Countable and uncountable nouns. Türkçe söyleyelim, sayılabilen ve sayılamayan isimler. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Get ready? First, let's talk about countable nouns. Countable nouns are things we can count. Yani tek tek sayabildiğimiz şeyler. For example, apples, one apple, two apples, three apples. We can count them. Books, one book, two books. Eğer bir şeyi 1, 2, 3 diye sayabiliyorsak, it's a countable. With countable nouns, we use many, a few, and numbers. For example, I have many books. I have 3 apples. Now, let's ask a question. Eğer sayabiliyorsak, nasıl soru sorarız? We say, how many? How many apples do you have? How many books are there? Eğer tek tek sayabiliyorsak, always use how many. How many is for countable nouns. Now, let's look at uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count one by one. Mesela milk. One milk diyemeyiz. Çünkü sütü tek tek sayamayız. Rice, water, sugar. Bunlar sayılmaz. O yüzden number kullanamayız. We don't say one rice. We say some rice. With uncountable nouns we use some, much. So, how do we ask question with uncountable nouns? We say how much? How much milk do you want? How much water is there? Eğer tek tek sayamıyorsan, use how much. Very simple rule. Count how many, can't count how much. Now listen carefully. This is important. Money looks countable. Ama İngilizcede money uncountable'dır. We don't say how many money. We say how much money. Çünkü money bir bütün olarak düşünülür. Coin sayılabilir. Banknot sayılabilir. Ama money genel bir kavramdır. So remember, money is uncountable. Sometimes we want to count uncountable nouns. What do? We use containers. A bottle of water, a cup of tea, a slice of bread. Yani sayılmayan şeyi ölçü koyarak sayıyoruz. Now, let's check. Ready? If you answered correctly, well done. Today we learn countable and uncountable nouns, and we learn how many and how much. If you can't count it, use how many. If you can't count it, use how much. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. This was Ozzy Teacher.